It's time for Art at Creative World.
Creative World is a nonprofit art center in Arcadia, California. We aim to bring students the experience of being a maker with genuine artistic engagement and expression through diverse and unique art projects. We offer weekly art classes, after-school enrichment programs, arts-intensive camps, and we go into the local public schools and other organizations with an in-person, unique, experiential visual arts program called Arts Bridge.
Our school was very interested in seeking arts programming from Creative World because of its integrated approach to art making and art teaching.
First of all, you engage the students. There is no wrong way. You emphasize being creative, being unique, so a mistake can turn into something unique. Kids can't wait. When they know you're coming, they're screaming, they're yelling, they're ready, ready to go. They hurry up and they sit and they all pay attention. And they love at the end when you do the art gallery, you place all their artwork up and they get to choose, why do you like that one? You ask their opinion, but you also have them explain, not just say, I like that. That is pretty. You say, well, why is it pretty? From the highest to the middle to the lowest, to kids that don't speak English, they're all happy, they're all successful. We take pictures and we send it to the parents and the parents love it.
There's nothing better for a parent than for your child to come home excited about school, excited about what they did, and excited to share what they've done. I had always been a proponent of more arts education in the schools, and not just arts education, but creative arts. I think creativity is just as important as academic, and when you can meld those two things together, that's when you really are preparing our students and our children for the future.
The teachers at Creative World of Arts really do a great job to help every child understand that they can be a Picasso. I would absolutely recommend Creative World of Arts to any school. And when we initially started it, I was a little hesitant as well because we had never done anything like this. We knew we wanted art. We knew that our district is so supportive of the arts, the teachers, but we weren't sure about bringing in somebody to do that. And so we piloted it the first year with just a grade level. And when they were sharing with all the other teachers at the different grade levels, the other grades were really upset that they weren't getting that opportunity. So it was a really quick and easy decision for us because we were able to see how much the kids were benefiting from that experience.
Arts Bridge is a program that we've developed over the past couple of years where we go to the elementary schools and we teach fine art programming to elementary school students. And we're trying to teach them the fundamentals of art, but also we're trying to teach them about using their imagination and thinking creatively. We do a spiraling curriculum, so we're building on skills for every grade. So they'll start in kinder with printing animals. We do a simple print of an animal drawing that they make, but then the next year we move on to second grade and we're going to do stamping for printmaking. So we're learning new skills with every grade. With every grade we're progressing and we're trying something new within that art form. So it's really cool because they have this comprehensive experience of painting or of printmaking or of drawing that we're bringing in, and we're seeing them build on those skills each year to make something different every time that we visit them.
Education is all about accessibility, right? And the curriculum is so accessible. Students get to talk about the project and the development of this oral language, the vocabulary that they're exposed to. Academic vocabulary is a huge predictor of success, and the vocabulary that the students are exposed to in the projects that Creative World brings to the classroom is very extensive, in words that they might never encounter.
It's really exciting seeing the students have transformative experiences in the classroom, where there's kind of that moment where it stops becoming just a struggle and they can start feeling like makers themselves.
We're all artists and we come from different backgrounds, so there's lots of different perspectives on art from different teachers, but we worked well together.
I love the creative world that it works with all of my students, and even the ones that are kind of reluctant at first, you do not let them just sit there. You encourage them, you push them, and they do produce something. With the cutbacks in school funding, art is, sadly, between art and music, it's one of the first things that get cut.
Creative World instructors are able to bring a level of expertise and a range of materials that public schools just cannot match in terms of our limited resources and the time constraints on our classroom teachers.
I would highly encourage any principal to have this program. Not only is it accessible and easy, I mean, there's no prep for the teacher. You know what I mean? I sit at my desk and Creative World takes over everything. Everything is prepared, all the materials are prepared, it's well laid out, instruction is to the T. That's just like, oh, easy peasy lemon squeezy, we say in kindergarten. There is, no mess, no fuss, no muss.
The teachers are amazing. The program's amazing. It's fun to see the kids get messy and try new things that, and some of them are really shy. So the fact that they're getting in there and trying new things and having fun, and they have this product that is really cool at the end, and just hearing them share the excitement is well worth it.
It's really a community. It's a community of creative people. It's a community of local families and their children. It's a community that embraces the public schools. And that community the heart of that community is creativity.
It's time for Art at Creative World.